In this video, we'll be taking a look at the LevelMaster product catalog. So it begins by covering all the different types of stump components, as well as stump tops, top connectors, and screw-on bases, making it very easy for customers. Now moving along to our stair stringers, the catalog again shows clear dimensions and the range of treads available. Finally, we can see our bracing and specialist applications, which also includes detailed drawings and diagrams. Now, where can you find the product catalog? Firstly, open your internet browser and go to levelmaster.com.au. From here, simply hover your mouse over the info/technical menu and then click on catalog, price list, and installation. Now all you need to do is click the download button next to where it says LevelMaster product catalog. And then the catalog should open up as a new PDF file in a new tab in your browser. Here, you can view the document and even download it for future use.